the town of Granby, by the river so wide, the British took a store and built a fort inside. They dug a deep moat, raised a wall up high, with Maxwell in command and redcoats standing by. Oh, a cannon roared and the rifles rang. Through the Carolina night, the freedom fighters sang. Through fire and thunder, they made their stand, till Fort Granby fell to the patriot hand. Wade Hampton watched with a keen, sharp eye. The fort was running low, their supplies ran dry. Sumter gathered men rough and bold and free. With powder and steel, they marched for victory. Fake guns on the hillside, a soldier's clever game. Maxwell stood firm, saw through the feigned aim. For 3 long days the rifles cracked, till Sumter's men fell back, but they'd soon be back. Oh, a cannon roared and the rifles rang. Through the Carolina night, the freedom fighters sang. Through fire and thunder, they made their stand, till Fort Granby fell to the patriot hand. Then came Hampton with dragoons so strong. Through the mist of the river they came riding on. At Friday's ferry the redcoats fell. 13 lay cold in the tolling bell. On May 14th, as the morning broke, Henry Lee arrived with cannon and smoke. From across the river his guns did glare, and Maxwell knew he'd not fight fair. No more bloodshed, no more cries. Maxwell surrendered beneath those skies. With all they had, the redcoats fled, as the patriots claimed what lay ahead. Oh, a cannon roared and the rifles rang. Through the Carolina night, the freedom fighters sang. Through fire and thunder, they made their stand, till Fort Granby fell to the patriot hand. Now the fort is gone, but the tale remains of the men who fought through loss and pain. By the Congarees their echoes call, a fight for freedom, remember, no hurry.